Good morning. My name is Ahmed Jassat, and I would like to go through a short presentation which I'm going to present over the next couple of weeks is how to bulletproof your Oracle EBS. And I'm going to take you step by step because I notice is that once we do it in small pieces, we will see more value. And please give me feedback on what do you think, right? So a little bit of myself. My name is Ahmed Jassat. I have 15 years of experience as working as an Oracle Apps DBA. I really enjoy the product. I really enjoy working with customers and turning the critical systems into huge successful environments. I enjoy also speaking at the South African Oracle User Group. And if you have any concerns or issues working on Oracle, please do give me a call and we can see how we can make that, turn that around. I work for a company called Africa Mobile Technologies, and a bit about ourselves is that we are an Oracle partner and we provide various database services from Oracle DBA services, Oracle EBS services, and infrastructure services as well. And these are all the products that we partner with and support as well. All right. So my topic for today is, and for the next couple of weeks, is how to bulletproof your environment. Right. And the reason why I say that is that you sometimes have issues on your databases and your environment, and you are faced with issues where your manager asks you, is everything fine? You ask yourself, is the environment fine? And you want some kind of comfort. So the benefit for these sessions is to provide you as a DBA with comfort. Sorry, I made a mistake there. The second thing is to provide you with ease and provide management with ease, that knowing the environment is 100% operational, 100% auditable, and there is no current issues as well. And as well is taking the initiative as well to go the extra mile. So what I normally use is, and what is available at Oracle, and what at every SR that you log, you must upload this. It's called the Oracle EBS Business Suite Support Analyzer Bundle Menu Tool. And we're going to go through various options in the tool, but for now we'll use the EBS Database and Performance Statistics Analyzer Report. Okay. So now we go for a demo. So we just connect to our environment there. Now to run the tool, you have to install it. So I'm not going to go through I do have another presentation on my link. Please go to it and it shows you how to install the bundle. But for now, I'm going to show you how to use the bundle. So we then go into cd $common underscore top, cd menu, and then we say perl menu.pl. It will ask you for your apps password. All right, and then what we're going to do, we have two options to run the tool. One is from the front end and one is from the back end. So in my previous video, I show you how to install the tool and run it from my front end. In this video, I decided to install the tool and show you how to run it from the back end. Okay, so now we can run it from the back end, and you can choose as a DBA, we choose the EBS core analyzers. All right, and I am going to go through in sessions in coming week these various analyzers, but for this session we're going to choose the database performance and statistics analyzer. Okay, so we choose option 2 and we choose, you can either load the analyzer or run it. I have loaded it already, so now we're going to choose how to run it. We run it and it will ask you for the schema name. Choose default, nothing. Table, choose default. It must take everything, and it will now run in the background, right? Once it complete, it tells you where to download it from. So it normally runs for about 5 minutes, right? But what I would like to show you is that here is how the analyzer looks, and it's a report from Oracle. As you can see, it's from Oracle Proactive Support. It's the EBS Performance and Statistics Analyzer. We come on the home page. Now, what I've done, this is a fresh install. So I just wanted to show you the before. So it came back, it says there's 1 error, 3 warnings, 10 have passed information and pass checks. So we go to the errors, and it tells you exactly that you need your init.aura parameters. This is what it recommends you set it, right? So we go to the home, and it tells you the warnings as well, that you need to run get the schema stats, right? Or get the table stats, right? And as well, it tells you the database parameter values, which we pointed in the first one as well. Okay, so it shows you what it has checked as well. All right, and it gives you information. So what I done is, this was before, then I fixed up all the changes, and now this report is the after. So me as a DBA can now know that I have no errors on my database. I have just one warning, which is fine. I have passed 13 checks, right? And it gives me some information. So if you go to errors, there's no errors. If you go to warnings, that's fine. It shows that these are modified, which is fine because I had to do it as per my environment recommendations. All right. And you can see the past. It have checked that the versions of the files are all expected. It checks the database level preferences. It checks the database statistics, which is good because now you know your statistics are fine. It checks for recommended patches. So it has a note that it goes through, the Oracle notes, and it checks whether the recommended patches have been applied. It checks the database parameters, which is required. It checks table statistics. It checks the gather schema job. It checks when last the gather schema stats was run, which is excellent. It puts it in a table format. It checks the history table counts. It checks the CBO statistics. It checks your missing mandatory parameters check report. So it checks that there is no missing parameters. It checks recommended parameter checks, so which is the parameters which are required, and it checks which parameters which needs to be removed, which are old. Maybe you upgraded from 10 to 12 and you don't need some parameters, so it does that whole check as well. All right. And which is excellent is the information. So sometimes you need to put some things in the document, so you can check your environment, 12 to 7, your server, your startup time, your database version as well. Okay, you can check your DB utilities that have been that are on the database. You can check, which is excellent here on your EBS system, all your install products, which are your install products. All right. And you can check your patch versions, your EBS patch versions, family pack versions that you have installed, which is brilliant. All right. And as well as you can check your database parameters. So parameters which you have there as well. So this is an extremely useful report. I strongly recommend all apps DBAs, please take the initiative and install the EBS analyzer, run the report, and work with your teams to resolve all issues. So when you do have a P1 SR, you can upload this onto your SR and show Oracle that there's no issues on your database. And as well as you can send this exact report onto your management to show them that you as a DBA are taking the initiative to make sure your environment is up and running. Okay. So that's all from me. So over the next couple of weeks, I will be doing more of these sessions on how to bulletproof your environment. But thank you for taking time to watching this video. All I want to say is take your challenges and issues and turn them into opportunities. Please visit my YouTube channel for more videos on Oracle EBS. And please do give me feedback and contact me if you're having any issues. My email address, that's my work email address, ajassat@edgeevolve.com, and ahmed.jassat@yahoo.com. That's my personal email. And please do give me feedback. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.